Spiroair. Cough peak flow. The cough peak flow is the velocity of air being expelled from the lungs after a cough maneuver, usually from maximum inspiration. The spacebar begins the test with the screen showing a graphic of flow versus time. Encourage the subject to breathe normally, then instruct them to breathe in and then cough with maximal effort. This can be repeated on the same screen, capturing several maximal cough efforts. Once complete, press the spacebar to end the test. Compass will automatically report the highest cough peak flow that has been recorded.